Today I'll show you Ford and where the fuse box location is. This one is Ford Escape SE EcoBoost. So let's get inside. First I'll show you where OBD port under the steering wheel. Right here. You just open it if you need to plug it in. There it is. So the first fuse box location will be on the passenger side. So if you look under the glove department, you have to go under. And it's in there. To get to it, you have to, there's this right here, this knob, you just press on it. And it comes down just like that, and one more on this side. And that's how you take this cover off. And there's your fuses. The first fuse box. Put it back. Same way how you took it off. So to get to the second one, you have to open the hood. Just like that. So to open the hood is this latch right here, and so the second one would be right here. There it is. There's the puller. Those are the fuses. So the third one will be in the trunk. So to get the third one, it's right here. To open it, you just turn it this way and pull it. And there it is. To close it, you just push it in. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.